Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to Hacksoft. In today's tutorial, we're going to learn how to find someone's public IP address, whether they're inside your own network or outside of it. This video is strictly for educational purposes only, so don't misuse this knowledge. Alright, let's get started finding private IPs inside your network. First, we're going to see how to find the target's private IP. If the target's on the same network, you can use Nmap. The -SN option tells Nmap to do a ping scan, no port scan, and the subnet, which means it's going to scan all addresses from 1.1 up to 1.254 inside your local network. With that one simple command, you'll see all the active devices connected along with their IPs. Another way is using the ARP table. With an ARP scan, you'll also get the IP and MAC addresses of the connected devices. Or you can just log into your router's admin panel and check out all the devices directly. Super easy. You'll see every connected device with its IP. A more advanced method is using Wireshark. Just open Wireshark, pick your active network interface, and hit capture. You'll be able to watch all the packets moving in and out along with source and destination IPs. And if you want to focus on just one device, you can apply filters to narrow it down. Finding public IPs outside your network. Now, here's the main part, finding IPs outside your network, meaning public IPs. The first method is using NSLookup. Type the command with the target domain name and it's going to show you the server's IP. If the site's not behind Cloudflare, you might even grab its real IP. You can also use ping or dig commands to reveal the actual server IP. Another method is through email headers. Open Gmail, go to any email you've received, click the three dots, and choose Show Original. Then scroll down to the Received From field, and there's a good chance you'll see the sender's real IP. Using social engineering tools, you can also use tools like IP Logger or Grabify to capture someone's IP. Here's how it works. Copy any normal link, like a video or a photo. I'm just going to grab my own channel's URL as an example. Paste it into the tool, generate a short tracking link. Now copy that link and send it to your target. Once they open it, their real public IP and some extra details are going to show up for you. But yeah, sometimes these links look suspicious. To make them look more genuine and trustworthy, you can use Google Sites. Just create a simple page. Just create a simple page, like I made one for my channel with a play video button. Put the tracking link inside that button. Publish the site and copy the new URL. Now, when you send that link, it looks super legit because it's hosted on Google. When the victim clicks the button, their IP gets captured instantly. And that's it, guys. These are some of the top techniques to find IP addresses. If you enjoyed this tutorial and want to learn more, make sure to subscribe to Hacksoft for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.